Welcome to the new download area on our website. It's designed to help you find and access our downloads faster and more easily. Let me show you how it works. On our homepage, click the download button in the bottom right corner. The new download area will open. There are several ways to find what you're looking for. You can browse by product, select a download category, or simply use the search function. Here are a few examples. If you want to see all downloads for the B30, just select the B30 product. From there, you can download individual files using the download button. Or, if you want to share a list of download links with someone, click the select button on the right. All selected links will be copied to your clipboard, ready to paste into an email or any other text field. To combine filters, for example, to show only the drawings for the B30, simply select both the product and the drawings category. You can clear your current selection at any time using the refresh button on the left. If you prefer to browse by category instead, just select a category, like manuals. You can then sort the results by date by clicking on the status column. And if you're looking for something specific, like all B30 related manuals, simply type B30 into the search bar and you're done.